So, what's up, world? I am at my monthly weekend drill and just not doing much, sitting around dead, dying, bored out of my mind, right? And then one of the sergeants comes in, it's like, hey, here's a mechanic. Put my hand up. And they're like, all right, so check it out. We got this girl whose car was messed up. We need somebody to help her out. And they're like, yeah, so we're gonna talk. And her Jeep is like, something's wrong with it. I'm like, put my hand even higher. Jeep, I got this, right? Let's switch it out. That's her baby right there. Nice little TJ. That's my baby right there in the back. Boom. So, power steering pump messed up. So I took it out real quick. Limited tools that Benny Bear's Garage got me hooked up here, right? Got a bunch of tools back there. I even got more in the middle. But anyway, I got the power steering pump out and that. The only problem is I need a pulley puller to get that pulley off. Anyway, so I need that pulley puller to put on the new one, and we'll be good to go. We'll be good to go. Look at all those nice looking tools right there, tool bag and everything. Got most of it what I need here, but I mean, who carries a pulley puller around, right? And then I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if we can see it. I'm over here. I don't know if you can hear it though. Hear the sound of that Black Hawk getting his nice little turbine going on. Anywho. Yeah, hey, got Army family, got Jeep family, take care of our own all the time. Whoop. So, all right, so part two of the story. Couldn't fix it out there in the parking lot because I didn't have the means to take the pulley off of the power steering pump, which is that. So the power steering pump needs a special tool or a pulley puller to actually get pulled off. So I had to, on my way home, stop by Advance Auto Parts and get a pulley puller kit, which is a loaner tool you can get from Advance to complete your job, and then you take it back and they'll give you your cash back. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Got my handy dandy gloves on. Alright, so there it is. Brand new power steering pump. Awesome, nice and clean. Pulley's back in there. Ready to go. Have my little tool bag ready for tomorrow. Take it over there. I got all the tools I'm gonna need. And some extras that I don't need, but it's good to have just in case. And I have all this stuff ready to go. Good to go. Alright. Stay tuned for the next part of the story. That'll be tomorrow when I'm putting this on that 1997 Jeep TJ. What is up? Welcome to part 3 of this whole ordeal. It is day 2. We are back for RSP. And we're working on this Jeep. So last night I changed out that pulley and we all got this thing took off, the old one. Now we got the new one. Yeah. Young privates out here helping me. So now that's ready to go. All we gotta do, put on some power steering fluid, should be good to go. Got some people doing PT over there. We skip PT just to fix this. All right, so right now, got probably hooking up right there, putting that power steering fluid in there. It's gonna be thirsty because we lost almost everything.
No, we did lose everything. Yeah, we gotta put on.
Oh yeah, we gotta put that thing back on. Part 4, day 2 again, last time. It's done. All right, so got it all fixed. Got my assistants. Got the owner. Beautiful Jeep. All right. Well, like I was saying yesterday, Jeep family, Army family, take care of Rome. Have a good weekend.